Do you know what are interest rate risk and an enticing charge per unit risk with its connection? Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be the first one to receive the notification of our latest videos. Hello and welcome to Bankrate, where millions of people around the world can learn and be aware of banking and finance. So let's get started. Interest rate. The charge per unit is the quantity charged by the shark to the creative use of assets. This charge per unit is primarily denominated as a share of the principal. Therefore, an associate charge per unit is that the proportion of the quantity season deposited or borrowed as an associate quantity of interest due per amount. And also the assets borrowed may embody money, goods, or joint assets like a vehicle or building. The charge per unit is generally known on an associate annual basis known because of the annual share rate, APR. The whole interest is evaluated on associate quantity season or borrowed that accept the principal, the charge per unit, the change of integrity frequency, and also the length of your time in way over that it's a season, deposited, or borrowed. Reduced interest rates encourage individuals to pay cash on home enhancements. Interest rate risk. Interest rate risk is aforesaid to be the potential for investment losses which takes place for bond owners from fluctuating interest rates. Charge per unit risk is often reduced by investment bonds of various durations, and investors might also calm charge per unit risk by hedging in variable investments with charge per unit swaps, options, or different charges per unit derivatives. Like an oversized quantity of charge per unit risk a bond has depends on the sensitivity of charge per unit changes within the market. This sensitivity depends on two things. 1. Bond's time to maturity. 2. Coupon rate of the bond. Bond's time to maturity. A bond's term to maturity is the part throughout that its holder can receive interest payments on the investment. In different words, once a bond issuer redeems a bond at maturity, you receive the face price of the bond associated with any interest that has increased since the last time an interest payment was created. Additionally, once the bond reaches maturity, the owner is meant to repay its par, or face, value. If the interest wasn't paid out sporadically, you receive all of the interest that has increased since the bond was issued. And therefore once the bond has a place or decision choice the amount of maturity will amendment. The coupon rate of the bond. Coupon rate or coupon payment is that the annual charge per unit paid on a bond and supported the bond face price the speed of interest paid by bond issuers. The coupon rate on a bond vis-a-vis prevailing market interest rates includes a giant impact on however bonds area unit priced. So the bond institution pays the interest annually in anticipation of maturity. If a coupon is more than the prevailing charge per unit, the bond's worth rises. If the coupon is lower, the bond's worth falls. A coupon payment is expressed as a share of the face price and paid from the issue date till maturity. Interest rate risk analysis. The Heath Jarrow Jazz Musician Framework was developed within early 1991 by David Heath of Cornell University, St. Andrew Jazz Musician of Lehman Brothers, and Henry M. Robert A. Charge per unit risk analysis is a way-done exploitation. The Heath Jarrow Jazz Musician Framework that aims at evolution of charge per unit curves and nearly its aforesaid as a general model framework toward the analysis of immediate forward rate curves. So exploitation Heath Jarrow Morton framework, it's evaluated primarily based upon simulating movements in one or additional yield curves and make sure that the yield curve movements area unit each in keeping with current market yield curves and enhance no unhazardous arbitrage is feasible. Techniques to research charge per unit risk. Following area unit the common techniques employed in the quality calculations for measure the impact of adjusting interest rates on a portfolio consisting of assorted assets and liabilities. 1. Shrewd net, market price value, of the assets and liabilities known as the market value of portfolio equity. 2. Stress testing this market price by shifting the yield. 3. Interest price is calculated in danger of the portfolio. 4. Shrewd, the multi-amount income or monetary increase, financial gain and expense. 5. Exploitation, yield curve movements, the likelihood distribution of money flows are measured. 6. Classifying every plus and liability will lift the pair of the interest sensitivity gap of assets and liabilities. 7. Analyzing bond costs and bond yields with the key rate period. Understanding charge per unit risk. Changes in charge per unit will have a bearing on several investments. Most significantly, it impacts the worth of bonds and different invariable securities. Therefore, careful observation of charge per unit by bondholders can create selection supported. However, interest rates area unit gave the impression to amendment over the amount of your time. When interest rates will increase, the opportunity cost of holding those bonds will increase, like for fixed income securities. As interest rates will increase, security costs falls and the other way around. Therefore, the rates earned on bonds so have less attractiveness as rates rise. Moreover, once investors switch to associate investment, that ultimately reflects a higher charge per unit. This issue in increased interest rates higher than that fasten level, and as a result, the bonds can have a set rate, and securities that area unit issued before the amendment in charge per unit can contend with new problems solely by dropping their costs. Thus, a charge per unit risk is often managed through hedging or diversification, ways that go against the impact of rate changes and scale back the portfolio's period effectively. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something valuable today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon to be the first one to get the notification of all the upcoming videos.